All right, Nupe here at Overland Expo in Arizona. Behind me, we got our utility trailer. Now this trailer, as it's set up, comes with 265 7017 tires. It weighs about just over 1,400 pounds. And basically, at the end of the day, this thing is everything that you need to haul all your gear, whether it's for camping, overland, fishing, hunting, general contractor. This has got enough space in here to do what you need. If we walk around to the side over here, it's got fenders over here with the DOT brake and turn signals. Underneath on the other side, you've got a license plate light already built into there. You've got a spare tire carrier that holds our 265 7017s. In this case, it's got 35s on it. We've got a tongue box over here. It's got a breakaway breakaway system that's already part of the trailer itself. The 2-inch coupler is also included with the jockey wheel. Now, if you want to take a look over on the other side, you can see that it's outfitted with our Mamba tent. The tent post itself here holds up to 1,200 pounds static weight, and then it's about 400 pounds on the dynamic weight in itself. Obviously, it's got integrated rails over here, so whether you're putting the tent post up here or any kind of accessories, whether it's recovery boards, gas cans, or anything like that, you've got accessible mounting options. So underneath here, we've got our dual trailing arm suspension. Basically, it's got dual shocks in here with the coil sprung, and it's actually strapped out limit. It's basically going to give you about 7 inches of travel on suspension-wise. The hubs over here is basically a 5-on-5, so it's basically a Jeep pattern. Most customers like to have something that's going to match their towing vehicle. We do also have an option for 6-on-5.5, so basically think of the Toyotas or the Chevys. I want to mention that this has electronic brakes on the hubs, so that's all integrated and part of the breakaway system. So you've got plenty of safety factor for you. All right, over here we've got our 2-inch accessory hitch. So whether you're towing your bikes or you've got some canoes or anything like that, you can mount them just in there, just as easy as putting anything into the tub or as such. The trailer is constructed out of stainless steel. It's electrostatic with a military-grade 2-stage powder coat, and it's got basically marine-grade hardware to assemble this. All right, you've got 70 by 52 inches of storage space in here, so you've got endless space to put whatever you want in there when you're going, like I said, camping, construction, hunting, fishing, sporting. It doesn't matter what you're going to do.